So a couple of weeks ago, we received a care package from Bits&Bytes Technology with this, a letter. Ooh, stickers. Shane likes stickers. Hey MOBHouse Productions, I know that you guys are bangsawan, so we decided to send you our newest bangsawan PC build for you to have a look. Let us know what you think. Yours truly, Bits&Bytes Technology, all the way from Johor Bahru. Wow. You know what, guys? Let's have a look right after this. Hey guys, we spend most of our lives on the internet, watching videos, listening to music, and of course, playing games. The internet is a space for us to be free and do what we like. So why should it be restricted? In fact, it's thanks to DG that you're watching this video right now. DG gives you the freedom to internet your way, any day. More details in the description section below. You know what's really cool is that when somebody actually adds a personal touch when they send over your stuff, what's really important when sending over all your packages interstate is that you gotta make sure that your package is secure. Just like this one right here. You put your bubble wraps, you put your warning signs, so that way you can really minimize the risk of your products damaging or your packages damaging when it arrives at your recipient's doorstep. And this is a good example. This is great. So nice and slow. Yeah, I think they even like triple layered the tapes on it, so that makes things even more secure. Ha! Wait, there's even like bubble wrap inside. So this is like triple, quadruple, purple layers of protection, and they even added some nice paddings inside as well, so that minimizes any chances of vibration too. Okay, so this is going to be a real tough one as well to take out. Bubble wraps. More bubble wrap. Smells like bubble wrap. More bubble wraps. Okay, no more bubble wraps. So the first thing that we actually noticed was the bunch of newspapers being stuffed inside the case. Now there's actually a very good reason for this. These newspapers actually act like a little dampener so that it minimizes any form of movement when you're shipping your PC, something fragile like this particular case. And it even has a little anti-static bag with some bubble wrap on it to secure your GPU. And there's even a little label that says, please remove padding before turning the power on, so you definitely not miss that. Alright, so let's open this guy up. First things first, you know the drill. Oh, that's pretty satisfying. Alright, the peel is done, so let's open up the side panel. So this is the Corsair 570X case. It's a fully tempered glass case, and this is white in color, so if you're a fan of something white, then you should probably consider something like this. The side panel comes with 4 screws. You can just use your finger, you don't even need a screwdriver. So that's pretty nice and simple. Just make sure that you secure the tempered glass with one hand when you unscrew it, just in case. Alright, so we put the tempered glass aside, and as you can see, all the newspapers here act like a little dampener, so this is really useful, guys. It's a tip or it's a method that you can actually use if you're going to transport your PC interstate or anywhere else. Steady bro, steady bro, steady bro's behind the camera today. The amount of newspapers, there's even a little A4 paper so that you don't scratch your PSU shroud. So this is the anti-static-ish or bubble wrap. Wrapping that is around the GPU. And we get all the papers out. Okay, so let's check out the cable management on this side of the case. I don't see any cables dangling around. Everything seems to be in place. Yep, everything's nice and neat. Cable management on this side of the case, check. Let's take a look on the other side. Cable management on the right side panel is definitely the trickiest if you're using a fully tempered glass case like this. But with Bits&Bytes, their cable management, on point. Nothing seems to be out of place, nothing seems to be dangling around, everything is secure. So cable management, superb. Let's go boot this guy up, and since this is my first AMD PC, let's go play some PUBG and see how well this guy does. This Bangsa One PC is a full tempered glass Corsair 570X, powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 1700X processor and is being cooled by a Corsair H150i Pro RGB all-in-one cooler. Here we have a total of 32GB of Geil Super Luce Lite RGB DDR4 RAM, rated at 3000 MHz. The motherboard of choice for this build is the Asus ROG Strix X370F gaming motherboard, and of course the GPU, an Asus ROG Strix 1070 Ti, with 8GB of GDDR5 memory. For all you RGB Bangsa Ones, RGB LED fans are a must. Corsair SP120 RGB LED fans are fitted throughout the entire case. And beneath the PSU shroud lies the EVGA SuperNOVA 750G Plus gold-rated full modular power supply unit. Moving on to the right side panel, you find the Corsair Force LE 200 120GB SSD and a 1TB WD Blue. Now, let's go play some PUBG and see what the Bangsa One PC has to offer. We ran PUBG on two resolutions, 1080p and 1440p. Three different settings were used, competitive, high and ultra settings. Personally, I'd always recommend the competitive graphics settings on PUBG as it gives you the best balance between FPS and graphics. If you're interested, check out the description section for a list of competitive settings and a link to Shane's full review of the AMD Ryzen 7 1700X. So there you have it, the Bangsa One PC build by Bits&Bytes Technology. Overall, we're pretty impressed on how safe and secure the PC was being delivered to us, and that is definitely something you want to consider if you're planning to purchase your next custom PC build online. Do visit their official website via the link in the description section, or you can also hit them up via Facebook. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit subscribe if you have not. Drop us a comment down below if you'd like to see more unboxing videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one. I stole Shane's line.